Good evening, guys. Welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC, and today is 29th April, right? So we are going to discuss few matters from Hindi Hindu. Okay, first thing is remdesivir. What is this remdesivir? It is a antiviral injection. First of all, it was invented for the cure of Ebola for Ebola to stop any replication of any virus. Even after some studies or clinical tests, they found that it was working on corona as well, corona COVID-19 as well. With corona, we can't say because there are so many of corona viruses which are useful to us, which are threatening as COVID-19. So we can't. What is the name of this virus? SARS coronavirus. Okay, remember this is a disease. SARS coronavirus 2 is the virus name. Remember this thing. Don't confuse with COVID-19 as a virus. SARS coronavirus 2 is the virus. Okay, it was developed by Gilead Pharmacy of USA. So wherever you want to produce this remdesivir, you have to take permission license from this country, or else governments, if there is a havoc in that country, government can issue compulsory licensing to which any generic version of this remdesivir can be discussed. We will discuss complete version of history of remdesivir and how it works, how it stops tomorrow. Okay, in a complete video. Don't worry, I will be explaining. I will just remember that it is first used for Ebola, and it is produced by Gilead Pharmacy from USA. Another one. This is headline: Global health security in the face of antimicrobial resistance. What is this antimicrobial resistance? Suppose we take antibiotics for what? Antibiotics for what? To inhibit growth of disease causing bacteria in our body. So if we get any disease, we will be using. What are the examples of antibiotics? Penicillin, amoxicillin, amoxicillin. These kind of things are antibiotics. So it is used against some bacteria inhibition. Okay. So what is this antibacterial resistance? Suppose we take so and so antibiotic for more than need. What happens is this bacteria becomes resistive to this antibiotic. So it will not react. It will not work. I will give a very interesting example. Not knowing only we are consuming a huge, last resorted antibiotic which works on most lethal diseases, that is colistin. See, in our medical industry, in a medical or hospital industry, what this is the last drug which is available to these humans, which is last resorted drug, I can say, most powerful one, last resorted one. So this is very cheap. Even what means this colistin promotes growth in animal husbandry. Chicken we eat, right? For producing a healthy chicken without any antibiotics or without any chemicals, it takes 2 to 3 months. By injecting colistin within 30 days, like KFC chicken, it gets ready for us. Whatever we are eating is made up of colistin. That's the reason. So we are generating antimicrobial resistance with colistin, which is the last resorted antibiotic in this world. So government should find a new way so that they eliminate the usage of colistins, and you store it as a last resorted drug in any, again, another pandemic comes. Okay, next, Tosilio. Even this is a antiviral disease, and not antiviral disease, but is a immunosuppressant. Immunosuppressant means, suppose a disease like rheumatoid arthritis comes, what will happen? In our body, some pathogen antigen has entered. Antigen is nothing but any bacteria, virus, any outside body is called antigens. Okay, enters. What will happen to kill this bacteria, our body will generate antibodies police to fight to kill this. Suppose if these antibodies become blind and attack our own body, then we will get inflammation, pain, joint pains. This is called immune attacking our own body, not knowing whom to attack. Because this defense system which have to protect our body is injuring our body and causing havoc. To reduce this blind side attack of our antibodies on our body, this tocilizumab is used. Okay. Similarly, like rheumatoid, there is another situation which is arising in COVID-19, that is cytosine cyclone. Even this is a form of antibodies attacking our own body. That's the reason this is being advised by the COVID-19 doctors to the patients. When it is used when everything goes out of hand while dealing with COVID-19. And supply chain initiation, supply chain resilience. We know, right? After pandemic, all the supply chains which come only from a single country, that is China, got blocked because it has closed its border, and so that nothing goes out of this country. What happened? Due to which other countries which depend upon the intermediate goods from China crippled, their economies lost. So to get so if any not only pandemic, if any earthquakes or anything happens, supply chain can't be strong, right? It will collapse because if uh, if one product is monopolied from one country, if anything happens with that country, whole supply chain of the world will get disturbed. So rather than giving that supply of that product to one country, if that supply is present in multiple countries, so even one country is affected, we can get supply from this multiple country. This is the formula followed by our country, our India, in getting importing this is petroleum, right? Petroleum, our country imports petroleum not only from one Gulf country, so many countries. It gets suppose due to Iran sanctions on Iran, supply chain of Iran to India got disturbed. So what it is resorting to Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. It has multiple options. Similarly, these three countries are coming up with an initiative so that supply chain is not disturbed in these countries. So that's the reason we are calling for infrastructure improvement in a country. That's the reason so many labor laws are being diluted so that companies moving out of China can come in India. Okay, thank you. This is the end of our class. And if you like my channel, like my videos, support me. How can you support me? Just hitting that like button or sharing to others. Thank you. Tomorrow I will be dealing completely about that remdesivir, how it inhibits the coronavirus. I mean, how it stops the replication of the coronavirus RNA. Tomorrow we will be discussing, and with that with that topic, other video will be updated. That is straits in the world. Okay, thank you.